In the heart of the forest, a gentle mommy elephant named Laura walked alongside her curious baby Kavi. As the leaves whispered and the air grew heavy, a soft pattering sound began to surround them. Kavi's wide eyes filled with wonder as he looked up to the sky, where silver droplets danced from the branches. Amid the emerald canopy, the rain arrived, touching the earth with its cool fingers. Laura and Kavi stood still, feeling the delicate droplets on their wrinkled skin. Kavi's tiny trunk reached out, catching raindrops like precious jewels. Laura trumpeted with joy. Her deep rumbled, harmonizing with the rhythm of the rain. She nuzzled Kavi, inviting him to experience this magical moment. Together, they twirled amidst the falling rain, a dance of discovery and delight.